2017 Winnebago Travato Touring Coach 59K for sale in Ocala, Florida, 34481. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2017 Winnebago Touring Coach 59K. This luxury class BRV is 21 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 4 guests. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use, which has enabled its like-new condition. This 2017 Winnebago Touring Coach 59K is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make the spacious Class BRV your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include 2 Burner StoveConvection MicrowaveFridge, FreezerSingle Kitchen SinkDinette with Booth SeatingTelevisionSurround SoundDVD, CD StereoSwivel, ChairsShowerOutside, EntertainmentLots of storage, 3500 Dodge Promaster VanSolar, PanelsProtective coating on exterior, and includes 5-year WarrantyCustom paint drivetrain/motor, 3-year 60,000-mile warranty, outside lighting along the running board and awning, and so much more. This 2017 Winnebago Touring Coach 59K is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This Class BRV is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible Winnebago Touring Coach 59K can be yours.